In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Godaddy mobile website. Creating or updating a mobile website is crucial in our fast-paced digital world. More people browse on their mobile devices now than ever before, and having a website that looks good and functions well on mobile is essential for any business or personal project. Luckily, Godaddy offers an intuitive way to edit your site for mobile viewing. The first step to editing your mobile website on Godaddy is to sign into your account. Head over to the Godaddy website and look for the Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will bring up the login form. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials. In the fields provided, type in your username and password. Make sure you enter this information correctly to avoid any login issues. If you happen to have forgotten your details, don't worry, Godaddy provides an easy way to retrieve or reset them. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the website section. This area holds all the details and tools related to your website. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to it. Now it's time to dive into editing. Look for the Edit Website option. This will take you to the website editor, where you can make changes to your site. The editor is user-friendly and offers a variety of tools and options to customize your site as you see fit. Once you're in the editor, your next step is to go to Preview. This feature allows you to see how your site looks as you make changes, ensuring that everything is shaping up the way you want it to. There's a specific URL provided for this, or often a button within the editor interface. Click on it to access the preview mode. In the preview mode, you'll notice an option to switch views. Specifically, you're looking for the mobile icon to switch to the mobile view of your site. This icon is usually represented by a small mobile phone. Clicking on it will transform the preview to the mobile version, showing you exactly how your site appears on mobile devices. After reviewing the mobile version, you might want to close the preview to return to the editing workspace. This action is straightforward. There's usually a close button or an X icon to click. Doing so will take you back to where you can make further edits. Now, the crucial part, editing your website for the mobile view. Based on the preview you just saw, decide what adjustments you need to make. This can include resizing text, adjusting button placements, or changing how images are displayed to ensure they look great on smaller screens. Remember, the goal is to make the mobile experience as smooth and accessible as possible for your visitors. When editing, consider the common qualities of an effective mobile site, such as fast loading times, easy navigation, and minimalistic design. Mobile users often look for information quickly, so it's important to streamline your content and make sure your site is optimized for mobile devices. Godaddy's mobile editor is designed to be straightforward, providing you with the tools to make these edits without needing to know how to code. You can drag and drop elements, resize them, and change settings with ease. Take advantage of these features to create an appealing and functional mobile website. Remember, the efficiency of your mobile site can significantly impact your online presence. It can influence not only user experience, but also your search engine ranking. Google, for instance, prioritizes mobile-friendly websites in its search results. Thus, spending time to perfect your mobile website isn't just about aesthetics, it's a key part of your online strategy. Finally, after making all your desired adjustments, ensure to review your changes by previewing the site again. It's a good practice to check your mobile site on actual mobile devices as well if possible. This gives you the real user experience and can highlight any issues or improvements that you might have missed in the editor preview. Updating and customizing your mobile website doesn't have to be a daunting task. With Godaddy's user-friendly interface, you're well equipped to make your site not only look great, but also offer a fantastic experience for your mobile users. Remember, the goal is to keep your site accessible, navigable, and appealing to everyone regardless of how they access it. Thank you for joining me today. By following these steps, you're on your way to creating a mobile website that stands out. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your online presence. Happy editing!